Economic stability is focused on finding local solutions to create opportunities for prosperity. We will explore the ways some states, cities, business leaders, and communities are taking the future into their own hands.
In times of economic uncertainty, it's only natural to wonder where communities will find the resources they need to prosper and grow. Fortunately, part of the answer to this question lies within the local economies themselves, in the form of community banks that develop strong ties to the cities, towns, and farming communities they serve. These banks promote economic development by funding businesses that provide jobs in their communities. Community banks are the main source of lending to the nation's small businesses and farms, according to the Independent Community Bankers of America. The group's 5,000 bank members have loans to customers, small businesses, and the farming community totaling $750 billion. Community banks account for a disproportionate share of loans to small businesses.
Strong community banks mean stronger communities. And so if you think about the inherent value of the community bank is that you have people who are closer to the community, especially the executives, where you invest in the community, you make the community stronger every day. It's not just about making a loan. It's about creating wealth in the community. It's about driving economic development in your local community. It's about being able to take the consumer and say, I understand Mrs. Jones and her issues, and so guess what? Because I understand your issues better than anyone else, I can provide you with a better solution.
While large financial institutions are tuned to Wall Street, community banks are more accountable to the local market. The Independent Community Bankers of America reports that these banks generally make their loans to businesses and consumers in depositors' own neighborhoods. Community banks also tend to be more nimble than large banks, able to make faster lending decisions and move quickly to address customer needs. Like many community banks, CertusBank recognizes the more successful its customers are, the better the bank does as well.
Community banks are the lifeblood of small business. If you're growing, if you've got a fast-moving company, you need a community bank that can respond quickly and precisely to the needs of your business. In today's economy, loans and projects that create good loans are often very complex. Having a community bank like Certus means we can go right to the leaders of the bank and we can talk to them and explain the complexities of our project. They don't have to whisper it up the line. Those are the people who make the decisions, and having that proximity makes all the difference for us.
At banks such as CertusBank, with branches in Georgia, the Carolinas, and Florida, the mandate is to deliver excellent service while serving as a financial partner to customers, using its knowledge and resources to support businesses that might be underserved at a larger banking institution. The smaller asset size of many community banks does not prevent them from offering innovative and sophisticated products and services to customers. CertusBank, for example, works to combine a high-touch approach to customer relationships with the sophistication found at larger banks. CertusBank's online banking services include a mobile banking feature for personal account management. For business customers, there are powerful online tools for treasury management, remote deposit, and bill paying. And the bank's offerings include sophisticated products such as foreign exchange services and derivatives to meet customer needs. Community banks also can customize their products and services for customers. At CertusBank, this customization may occur as the bank helps a company to monetize cash flow or a multiple lease arrangement, for example.
One of the most important things about community banks is they are staffed with the best that the big banks had to offer. When the big banks could really no longer respond to the needs of the community, the best people left and formed these community banks. So we get the sophistication of Wall Street and New York and international services if we need them, all performed right here in Greenville.
As the banking industry continues to evolve, community banks will serve as a valuable resource in their local markets. As with banks of any size, however, they must be well capitalized to have the resources needed to make loans and offer innovative products and services to businesses that provide jobs in the community. The financially strong banks will continue to serve the interests of the community because they are a part of it, working with business owners and residents to build a thriving local economy.
We are blessed to have wonderful businesses, wonderful people in this community who are willing to start new businesses. And because of that, we have through the years developed a very vibrant business community. We have a vibrant downtown. None of that would have happened without the critical support that community banks give to this community. From my perspective as a business person, having been involved in business undertakings for many years, I've seen what a difference that has made to the development of certainly the upstate, the whole upstate, as well as the state of South Carolina. But in Greenville, it's made all the difference in the world in being able to know that someone understands the needs of your business.
To learn more about CertusBank, visit the organization's website at www.certusbank.com.